Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a really cool little component deck. It's a Soundesign model 477, and as you can see, there's not much on it, just a track change button. So let's pop in a tape and make sure everything works before you send her back. Okay, make sure you got both sides. Switch tracks a bunch of times. And there was on there. Alrighty, and that's it. There's just not that much to test on a standalone component player. This comes from Rod in Olathe, Kansas. Thank you, Rod, for your business all the way from Kansas. It needed pretty much the usual stuff, nothing terrible. So on that note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below and printing out a work order. The work order contains all my options and prices, including options for turn times, so that saves me 15-20 minutes on the phone with each new customer answering the same questions over and over. So please do visit my website and print a work order before calling me. And once you've done those two things, you probably won't need to call me at all unless you just want to talk, have a quick chat to make sure you can trust me and all that stuff. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you guys next time.